Hi bestie, and welcome to my channel. My name is Winnie James and I'm a weight loss coach, and thank you for tuning in. Today I want to share with you about a practical lunch that you can eat and also lose weight, because I know you have heard about avoiding this and avoiding that, and that could be the reason why you're still stuck on your weight loss journey. Today I'm here to tell you that it is possible to enjoy your African meals and still lose weight without avoiding ugali or chapati. And we are going to break it down in a very simple way. And before that, let me plug you into Diaspora Insurance. Diaspora Insurance is a company registered and regulated in United Kingdom, catering for Africans living in diaspora. So if you are outside the country of origin, this is a must cover because it is a funeral cash plan. You don't have to wait until that time and then your photo is everywhere on the internet saying tutachangia huyu ama tutachangia huyu. And Diaspora Insurance, it is a company that caters for over 25 African nationalities. As long as you're outside the country of origin, this is a must cover. Visit them at www.diasporainsurance.com and you can get your quote there on internet. You don't need anyone. You will get your quote 24/7. So it doesn't matter when you're seeing this video. Wherever you are, you can get your quote, or you can just scan the QR code on your screen now. Let's get to our video today. For you to lose weight and support your body to function properly, you need these nutrients. That is protein, fiber, carbohydrates, minerals, and vitamin. And I know when you hear all these things together, you're like, Winnie, I cannot eat carbohydrates because I will add weight and I will do this. The truth is, your body needs all these food group for it to function properly. But I know where Kisungumkuti is. It is how to make all these food group to function, or rather to eat, enjoy, and also lose weight. And this is how. Number one, before we get how you're going to balance it on the plate, let us look at protein. Why do we need protein? Number one, protein will help you to, one, to get energy. Number two, it will help you or support your weight loss journey because you'll be full for a longer time. And number three, it will help you to repair the muscle. Let us also look at carbohydrates. Why do we need carbohydrates? Carbohydrates will give you energy as well. It is the main source of energy to help your brain to function properly and also to give you the energy that you need. And number three, we need the fiber. Fiber will support your digestive system. And number four, you need vitamins. Vitamins like vitamin C and vitamin D. Your vitamin D will help your body to absorb the vitamin C. So you need all these things in your body. You need the minerals from water, from salt, and all these things. You need them in your body to function properly. But when it comes to break it down, as we are looking at lunch, when you're busy, when you're doing things in Nairobi or wherever you are at work, how do you balance your meal? This is how simple you do it. If you can get a small plate, that will be amazing if you want to be radical with your weight loss journey. But if you still want to enjoy the dinner plate, then you have to be very cautious about the portions, because what you eat, it is what your body will show. That because we become what you eat. Last week, we looked at how you can manage your morning until 12 o'clock, eating, exercising, and having a practical way of life, how you can manage your life, even having limited time, limited resources. You can also plan your things and get things right. I'll link it somewhere here, and then you can go watch after watching this, or you can start there and come finish with the lunch. This is an example of how your plate should look like if you're having a simple lunch in Nairobi or wherever you are and you want to lose weight. Number one, we want to have veggies. We want it to be balanced. So get sukuma wiki. some boiled egg. You can have 2 or 1, depends with what you like, and also get some avocado. So if you have 3/4 of your plate with vegetables and the ugali or sweet potato. I'm using sweet potato because it is complex carbohydrates. It has a lot of benefits. It will still give you the energy that you need, and you stay fuller for a longer time than eating ugali. But you can still have ugali or chapati or mchele, but make sure it is 3/4 of your plate is vegetables, and then you have a quarter of protein and also 1/8 of fat. So with this one, you can have avocado at half avocado. 1 avocado is enough for a whole day. Don't eat so much avocado if you are on a weight loss journey, because it is healthy, but also you want to minimize the portions. You want to minimize what you're taking. You don't want to go overboard. And I'm telling you, if you follow this kind of lunch or even a routine like this one, you'll be able to lose 1 kg every single week, as long as you're minding your portions. If you want to be radical with your weight loss journey, then remove the dinner plate and bring the side plate. This meal will not only make you full, but you'll be nourishing your body. You're not just eating because the food is available. You're eating intentionally. And intentionality, it is where your journey starts. The journey does not start when you say, I am not eating ugali or I'm not eating mchele. It starts when you start having that intention, and your body will thank you because you're nourishing every organ, every part of your body. That is what you're doing. Remember this, that weight loss, it is not a destination, but it is a journey. And when you fall in love with a journey, that is when you will enjoy the journey. Weight loss, it is not complex. Weight loss, it is that simple. As long as the plan, it is something that you can do it consistently, you are on the right path. But if it becomes complex and you have to think about it and you don't know how to go about it, you have to Google and do all this manner of things for you to be able to do it, then that one, it is not sustainable. You might do it for 1 week, you might do it for 21 days, but then you will go back to the bad habit. The way to lose weight and to master the weight loss, it is to have something that is simple. It is to simplify the whole journey. If you would want to track your progress, because this is one key thing, if you're not tracking your progress, you might not know where you're going or where you are at. I have a journal that I created for my clients, and this one, it has changed their life, and they come back and say, I know where my weakness are, I know where my strengths are. So if you would want to be radical with your weight loss, you want to track your progress, I will put the link in the description box so that you can check it out. If you want to reset, to cleanse your organs, to start a journey afresh, to give your body a new start, I created a 7-day recipe to help you to maneuver that and master that in 7 days. And this is not just cleansing your organs and resetting your body. You will also lose about 3 kgs to 5 kgs on that journey. Fall in love with during, not just the numbers on the scale. When you start falling in love with intentionality and what you put in your body, weight loss will become very, very simple. If this video was helpful in any way, please like and also subscribe, because next week I'll be sharing about a dinner, how you can do it and be able to lose weight. If you would want my morning detox smoothie, just DM me detox on Instagram and I will send you to download it for free. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.